she is pretty, boys. All right, last shot to get 100x entries to win this truck, our beautiful brand new 2024 GMC 2500 HD AT4X AEV and 50 grand. Last chance to get 100x entries, the best bang for your buck to take home the truck and the money. And once 100x is gone, it never comes back. So if you're going to enter, don't wait, enter right now. Check out the website, get something cool. Everything on there gets you automatically entered for the truck and the cash. Link down below. Good luck. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are having a great day, and welcome to part 2 of our S650 Mustang adventure. In part 1, you saw the Whipple get installed on the car, and you saw the car on the dyno, where it made just under 800 wheel horsepower. That's insane, almost double the factory power. Now, if you haven't seen part 1, highly recommend you go watch it, especially if you are actually considering getting a kit for your car, because part 1 has all the info you need to know in it. Which kit you should buy, the pricing, warranty info, all that. So go see part 1 if you haven't seen it. If you are still here, I can only assume you have seen part 1 because I know you would not lie to me. And that means now we can all go on the first drive. There she goes. She looks good, boys. Yellow, polymers. I think I did pretty good on the spec. I like that car. Sounds great, and I'm a little bit weird, guys. I'm a lot weird, but I like the big single tips. I didn't want the dual. I got the big singles on there. You can see no muffler on there with the Corsa H-pipe, so she gonna be loud for sure. Yeah, Corsa H-pipe, race axle back, no mufflers. Dang. And now a Whipple. She is gonna rip. Let's get the hat on and go. Okay, POV hat on. Let's get it. Traction off, don't need that. And we are ready. Drive. Okay. Seat belt, we do need that. Phone. Okay. Let's do sport mode. Oh, because the lights are on, I bet. Okay, we'll get to that. There are very few of these in the world. I have, I believe, the only non-shop car. In other words, like, I'm a regular guy, I'm a customer, I have one. I'm not a shop. And I think I might be the first. I might be the first one with just a regular, like, retail kit. I'm shaking a little bit, I'm shaking. This is going to be fun. I'm ready, buddy. Manual. Can you get a video for me?
All right, let's see it, Mike.
Ready? Oh my God. I'm a little scared. The cops might be called. That was nuts, dude. That was nuts. I think I went too far.
Dude, that was a burn.
I think I shouldn't have done that.
No,
I got way too. I'm like shaking.
Dude.
I got way too into it. I got too excited.
Burnout, dude.
Oh my God,
dude, that was sick, man. That was sick.
Did it look good from the outside?
Oh, dude, it looked real.
Oh my God.
I've got a side view. He's got another view, bro. It was smoking it
dude,
up,
she
man.
rips.
Bro, them tires, the life in those tires just got lessened by quite a bit, man.
Yeah. All right, boys.
Don't hit any crowds or anything like that.
I'll try not to. It's got power now.
A little bit.
All right, let's get it. Okay. Okay. Well, we did that. Dude, that was nuts. Holy crap, I'm still not like back to regular vlogging. I'm kind of terrified, but hey, I don't live here, so.
I misinterpreted the rules.
All right, car back in drive. Let's let the car do everything and see how it goes. So the car is 50K. The Whipple kit, the whole thing, about 10. And install, I'd say about 2. So for 60 to 65 G's, you get a car that is brand new, fully loaded, right? With all, well, basically fully loaded with all the goodies. It's nice, has Apple CarPlay, you know, cool seats, and it's got 800 wheel in a car, in a package, in a car that sounds good, drives good, should be reliable. I mean, that's hard to beat, man. When you talk about power for money, that is hard to beat, right? And we'll see how it drives, but God, it's loud. Stock cats, guys, stock cat, fully emissions compliant as well, stock cats. Oh man, she gonna rip. She is gonna rip, guys. I like this car. It's nice, man, and the power is good. Like, everybody today I know is spoiled because everything has 1,000 or 1,500, 2,000, but don't ever forget how much 800 wheel is. That's a lot, guys. She'll be a handful, but nothing bad. Woo! Listen to that sound. Listen to that. Wow, man. Really good. Really good. Dang. Thank you, Ford, for not giving up on the V8, because listen to that. How could you not love that, Tesla? God dang. Okay, calm down. Car drives great, feels solid. It's hot too. Don't forget, it's hot. Maybe you pull. And go. Oh! Woo! Yeah, that ain't bad. Getting a little squirrely, feeling good, feeling fun. Love that. Only thing that scares me is I don't know the area at all. I don't know where the cops usually are. Okay. Oh, we left 11s. Oh God. Oh God. Is that a cop? I don't know. Dude, that's fun.
Dude, nothing but 11s.
I saw him in the mirror. Terrible. Terrible. I'm terrible. Yeah, Mexico. Yeah. That guy is the raw vet. The raw vet. Nice, but you don't want it. You don't want the sauce. Let's try track mode now. We can use our modes. Okay, track mode. All of that was in normal. Let's try track. See how she does. Good looking car though. Guy's got a wicked toupee on. That V sounds great. The black V rolling. Good looking car. LS platform, sounds fantastic. Can't argue with that. We're looking for an opening here. We get on a highway in about a mile, and we can rip on it again, boys. Rip on it again, but I'm loving it. It feels really nice. And remember, it's hot. 87, humid. We're in South Florida here, and she is doing great. Woo! The V looks really good, dude.
Yeah, thank you,
looks
man.
great.
The only problem with that car right now is it's so bright.
It's
They're not going to see me speeding, they're going to see you.
Oh, for sure, I'm getting pulled over first.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, the Mexican police will not like you.
The federales.
Yeah, sí.
Yeah, sí. No bueno, Es malo.
No habla,
Mustang es rápido.
Yeah.
Sí. Muy rápido. Yeah, I think we could fool him. For sure. The Rolls Royce. Left him at the light. Go. Oh. It is hot, guys. Hot. I can't keep doing pulls to the poor girl here. The car is sweating. I'm sweating. It's hot. It's humid. It's South Florida, but the car feels real great, real nice. We'll do one more third. Go. She is a ripper. Yeah, that's good. Okay, one more, and I promise this will be it. Go. Wow. I like it, man. I like it. That's fun. My Mustang to feel like. Okay guys, final thoughts. It is hot, really hot, and I love it. I think for the money, it's amazing, and in the heat, back-to-back runs, she is not failing, not on fire. The GoPro overheated in the car, so I will film the outro here outside the car, but yeah, awesome kit. I think it turned out great.
Turned out awesome.
Love
man.
it.
Thanks for coming down, bro.
Yeah, super pumped. Great drive, awesome value, and a really amazing car for the money. So there you go. If you want the Whipple kit for your 24 Mustang, do it. All right, boys, there you go. She is a certified ripper now, and we are back at home. My bad, the end of the footage there got a little choppy. The GoPro is overheating. That Florida heat, after filming all day, was not doing the GoPro any favors. The camera being under the windshield with the sun beating down on it, even the camera being on my hat and me being in the car away from the sun, it gets hot in there. I try not to run the AC because I'm already beating the crap out of the car. I don't want to run the AC, and it really was a scorcher of a day. So the GoPro at the end falling apart, however, did everything else pretty well. I can't complain. My final thoughts on the Whipple. It's worth it. I think it's a must buy. You know, 10K, 2K for the install, 12 overall, and you're getting double the power. Like if you're going to spend 50 on a Mustang, you might as well spend 62 and get double the power, double the fun, and it really makes it feel like a Mustang should. It makes it feel alive. So I think it's a must buy. Now, at the moment, there aren't really any other options available because tuning isn't out yet, but even when tuning comes out, I think that Whipple kit is a really great value because it's reliable, it's fast. If you go any higher than 800-ish wheel anyway, you're gonna have to buy more parts for the car, build parts in the car, who knows. This is bolt on and go. 12K, close to double the power. It's a hard bargain to beat. And you can, don't forget, get the warranty version if you want. The Stage 1 Whipple kit makes a little less power, but not that much less. Still a huge increase. And it does come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. That's also a tough bargain to beat. So hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, I liked it. I think it's a must buy, like I said. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give this upload a big thumbs up. Take care and have a great night.
So here we are in Miami. Blue Out Motorsports with Willie the Wizard doing another Whipple install on an S650. Drink lots of coffee, eat some Cuban sandwiches, and just enjoy. know that when Mike sent the car down here for us to mod, that we'd have so much fun and so much success with it. It's been a great couple days hanging out with you too as well, Ben, man. It's been great. From taking the car down to Willie, having the blower installed, to bring it over here at Palm Beach Dyno and making some insane numbers. We're grateful to be a part of this. It really has been a great experience having Mike involved and collaborating with us on this build of this Mustang GT and the Whipple Supercharger on there. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this, so definitely make sure to check it out. Subscribe to Mike. Seriously, get your merch, get in on those giveaways, all right? And definitely give us a follow too, Lethal Performance.